What's going on, chat? We got brand new emojis that I just created. If you're part of the members, you can use them. We got grind, we got Keanu in here, we got respects to pay respects to all the lurkers. So if you're interested, you can click the join button, join the channel. It's pretty dope. What else do I got in here? I got a lot. What's going on, man? 9. So yeah, today I'm just setting up my system to do this Unity game dev. They said I was allowed to stream it, so I'm gonna stream it. There's probably a whole bunch of stuff I gotta install. 0 days, what up? Matt, what's up? Interesting title. Setting up for game dev, what? 21-year-old intern making YouTube videos. You inspired me. Nice, dude. You interrupted me from watching one of your videos. Sorry about that. Come on, yo. Why is this so difficult? Could not find your account. I don't even know my own Udemy password. Matt, what's up, man? An unknown error occurred. Does that mean please verify you're a human? Great. I'm a 47-year-old. Oh, there we go. I logged in. Sweet. All right. So they said that they're redoing the course. I was watching baseball and stuff for the stream. Well, you made the right choice. Unreal Engine 4 FPS tutorial. Free, you say? I don't know. You guys like know which one is the best here? Because right now this was the one that I was gonna do. I gotta go through the prerequisites though. Don't autoplay, please. Oh, we're learning pointers. I gotta do introduction setup because I forgot. Let's see. Resources. Jamal, what's up? Can you do a tutorial in C hacking? No. VS Community 2019. I guess I gotta start with that. It's from 8 days ago. All right. What type of game are you hoping to make? There's no hope, dude. Hope is not a strategy. Download Visual Studio Community, Professional, Enterprise. Guess I'll do Community. I got Visual Studio Code, but now I gotta get this. It's gonna be kind of like Fortnite. It's gonna be the game that I was making before Fortnite came out. Yeah, Slive's interrupting my VR, but gotta check. Oh, dude, what up, Flute Loops? Game dev, you like the easy things. What? Your download should start shortly. Sweet. It's gonna be in C++. Man, it'll be a mix. It'll be a mix of blueprints. Whatever gets the job done, you know? That's how I do things. I don't care about the language. I know Unreal is C++, so we're gonna start a project in Unreal. Nice. Tutorial in hacking. Don't know how to hack. It's not my channel. But anyways, the game's it's gonna be like a third person. It's gonna be spell based, but you drop in, you find spells, but you can combine them together to make stuff. So it's all about like mixing and matching stuff. All right, let's see. What do I got to install here? These are my options. Make it like Hunger Games. It'll be kind of like Hunger Games, but you'll have talents. So as the game goes on, you'll unlock different talents. No, Spellbreak. No. Spellbreak. If that's even kind of close to the game that I'm making, it's not, because whatever. Game dev with C++. I gotta install that. Let's see, what else do I need? Unreal Engine installer. I don't need any of that. Probably need that. Game dev Josh. Yep. What port and res reviews? Nice, dude. Love your content. Greetings from Germany. Anthony, look at I changed it out, dude. Look, you got a little icon now. There's already a spell BR game. Yeah, it's called Spellbreak and it's stupid, so it's dumb. My game is better. Their game is just like jumping around with a bunch of anime cartoon graphics and stuff. It looked neat when I looked at it, but it's not what I want to make. It's not just like, it's more like medieval then, alright? We'll just go with medieval. Do a CSGO match? Nah, dude. Spellbreak just looks boring. Like, yeah, you get spells, but that's not like, it's more than that. You got spells that you can combine. So you got to find the spells around the map, and then you can combine the ingredients to make the spell. And then as the game goes on, you get talents that you can unlock. But before that, you jump in the game, you can pick like your stereotype. Battle Royale sounds similar to what you're describing. Kind of. I mean, there's been a lot of games made since I first started making this game, so it seems like I'm copying them. But in reality, it's, well, I don't know. They're probably not copying me. They don't know who I am, but like, you know. Ever since I started applying SQL jobs, I'm getting inundated with emails and calls. I have no idea, Roddy. I have no idea. Data storage and processing, I don't need any of that. Data science, no, I don't need any of that. I don't need Unity stuff. Build cross-platform. Yeah, I don't know if I need any of that either. Maybe desktop development? I don't know. How much is that? Oh, no. Oh, it's not that much. Bigger. Workloads. Yeah, I guess I'll just do game dev. I don't think I need anything else. SharePoint. Download all, then install. Alright, we'll just install, I guess. Here we go. Hopefully my stream doesn't tank, but try it. Can you make videos about data science? I'm not a data scientist. Guess I'm the only one experienced. Dude, I get lots of calls all the time from people from India. There's just a lot of tech recruitment there. Make it so you can keybind everything and I'll play it. Dude, I got you covered. I might... Is that 100 megabits or one? No, dude, I got it. This is 100 megabytes per second. 105 megabytes per second, as you can see. I have 1,000. 1,000 down. Oh, 115 megabytes per second. Nice. 77. Not bad. Can't complain. Unity is better than Unreal. Meh. I did Unity. Time to do something else. Time to do something new. Unity is like the drag and drop equivalent for game dev. Hire someone to bring your idea to life. No, dude, look. If you want it done right, you got to do it yourself. That's just the world we live in. I'm not gonna pay someone to make the game that I want to make. I want to make the game. So that number one, I get to make it myself, and number two, I get to learn how to do it so I can teach that skill later. So Unreal's awesome, but C++ sucks. Unity sucks, but has C#. You have blueprints in Unreal, and then you learn C++ to finish the things off. What's your game idea? It's a game idea I was making before. It's kind of like Fortnite, but without the crappy building. But it's basically you have like talents. You have talents and you like craft stuff in the game, but it's a BR. But the BR game mode can totally change. That's the thing, right? When Josh ignores your question. It didn't pop up. Maybe it got blocked. Why does Visual Studio install so much BS? I'm not sure. Coming from a studio that worked with Unreal Engine for 3 years, blueprints are a great way to put awful okay, well, that's great. But I'm all about practicality. I'll hire someone to optimize it later. I'm not gonna hire them to make my game. Why Unreal and not Unity? Dude, like, the community is so hyped for Unity, and I made games in Unity, but Unity does not have multiplayer support. That's the thing. Unity does not have multiplayer support. They have Photon and the Halapi, the high-level API. And the high-level API has like a tick rate of like literally 12. In FPS games, you shoot the gun, the projectile's like tick, 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 tick. Unity has trash networking support. It's just they like, and then Photon has like the worst documentation in the world, super unsupported. Mirror telepathy. Let's see. A community replacement for Unity's abandoned UNet network. Yeah, that's the thing. Abandoned. Oh, last commit 18 minutes ago. Oh, it's a high level. Oh, all right. Mirrors built and tested for MMO scale. Oh, that's nice. Youth survival, Cubica. Oh, these are the popular add-ons. Let's take a look. UNet. Oh man, that was trash. Multiple transports. Oh, nice bet. No, Steam. Okay. I don't know. Is it worth learning? How's the tick rate? Is it peer-to-peer, or do I have to set up a server? Are you gonna build the entire game on the stream? Well, I'll probably do some single-player stuff so I can get comfortable. This is a weird-ass song. Hold on. Let's start over. Put my music over there. There we go. Alright. Yo, what up? Unreal is super easy. So, I've used Unity, right? I made a game in Unity. Now we're doing Christmas trap music for whatever reason. I made a game in Unity. It was okay. But I wanted to do Unreal because it just has better built-in stuff. There's a lot of stuff you can get in Unity, but you gotta pay for it. I wouldn't recommend doing a multiplayer game. Yeah, I know, right? There's multiplayer stuff you can get just from Udemy. Multiplayer courses that teach peer-to-peer networking. That's all I want. I've done Unity. Unreal's got the Fortnite money. It's a lot more powerful than garbage Unity. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to pay for anything. You can script it yourself. Yeah, of course you can. But then there's like, I have to make videos also, dude. Like, I'm not just going to sit around and script all day. There's like this balance that I'm trying to find between productivity and still living my life at the same time. You know, I'm not going to dump my entire life into just making this game. Just script it yourself. What's your RGB mousepad? It's a Corsair mousepad. Fortnite is dying though. Okay. Well, PUBG was built on Unreal. There's look, everyone loves Unity. I'm not really sure why, but the free version is trash and there's a bunch of janky bugs with that interface and oof. We ever try to make a VR game? I don't know. Maybe. VR games are a lot of work. I started with VR once. I left both for Godot because I don't like the 100K plus cost. Yeah, I don't know about all that. I just want to mess around with blueprints. I just want to mess around with the networking. And it's also got like built-in like particle generators. It's got a whole bunch of built-in stuff that Unity just sucks at doing. Like Unity's animation system is absolutely terrible. It's so bad. Like the documentation on it is even worse. Like Unreal Engine has a steeper learning curve. Unity is like really good if you just want to like make 2D games and single player games, but otherwise Unity is just, it's so, ugh, I can't. Are you actually going to do game development? I mean, I've done it. Yeah, Unity has all this new stuff and it's all undocumented. That is Unity in a nutshell. Unity is just consistently not. It's just, I've done it. I've done Unity. I've done it. I want to learn Unreal. That's why. I'm just not excited about Unity anymore. I made a game in Unity. I spent like I put my heart and soul into making a multiplayer game in Unity and there was no networking solution and I just, ugh, No. Roblox using Rails? Dude, you know it. The next Roblox using Ruby on Rails? Of course. Unity is going public next year? Oh boy. Alright, what is this song? But for mobile, Unreal it's bad? No, it's not. PUBG on mobile runs great. Runs on my phone fine. Unity for mobile is also bad if you have the free version. I don't know. Unity is great. Unity has Rust and Tarkov for multiplayer games, but they custom made their backend. I don't have time to custom make a backend. I still have to produce a video every day. I still have to make stuff, and it's so much more than like game dev in itself is so time consuming. Unity is good for mobile. Not sure why you said it's bad. Because the game that I made in Unity was mobile, and it's terribly unoptimized if you use the free version. Yeah, so this is what I can make Unreal Engine 4 tutorials. Fine, I'll learn it and then I'll do it, you know? Right now you could finish the game in Unity by yourself. Your marketing's better now, so if you want to do Unreal and not hire anyone, you might not finish. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about all that. I don't want to do it in Unity. I don't like the interface. I don't like its layout. I don't like any of it. I don't want to do it. I'm good. I did it. All right, time to move on. Time to move on to something else. Do a 0 to Hero Unreal Engine learning series. Dude, I'm learning Unreal Engine, so if you want to watch me struggle bus, welcome aboard. For a first job, should I take any salary I can get? No. 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 You gotta have self-worth, dude. Someone wants to give you like 30K. You're gonna be like, oh yeah, 30K. Oh, amazing. No, don't do that. Yeah, dude, I want to do Quixel Mega Scans will be sweet. Just the menu system and the UI and the interface and the UX of Unreal is just smoother for me. Wolf, what's up? What about Game Maker Studio? I think that's like a Steam game, right? Your Unity game might be unoptimized because you weren't using best practice. Probably not, dude. When you're unemployed and you don't have time really to care about best practices, probably not, you know? But it was also the free version, so they didn't optimize anything. This was like 2 years ago. You're kind of trying to make excuses, just saying that you prefer UE because people actually work with Unity. Sound like someone who has no clue about. Okay, goodbye. Best programming language for video games? I think industry standard C++. Should I get an associate's degree while self-teaching? I mean, maybe. I don't know if it'll help you or not. Will you stream a coding session? No. Come on. I don't know, dude. I didn't come here to like be divisive, all right? I just want to do Unreal. Everyone's like, no, wait, do Unity. It's not like that. Wojin, I did not ignore you, dude. I saw it. What's up? What's your plan with game dev? Are you starting like a game project in C++? I don't know C++. I don't know C++. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna learn it and I'm gonna do it, and then I'm gonna do blueprints, and then I'm gonna design some levels, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just feel like making some stuff. People just get so triggered. You're like, oh, I'm gonna use Unreal. Oh my god. Cool, dude. Your hate on a realistic day in the life intern series is a bummer. You seem to hate on people that have good jobs. I work in Louisville, Kentucky, and have an internship that is similar to those. What are you talking about? Use Pygame, dude. What up? Need any help with the art part? I don't know. I might just use assets, you know? Notepad's the best text editor. I prefer Notepad, yeah. What else do I need? Install Unreal Engine. Yeah, I got all that. Also install Visual Studio Code. I got all that. What else do I need? Triple X, write pure C++. Oh, I think I did this already. A note to Windows users? You got Notepad++? Of course, dude. A note to Windows users. Huh. Battle tank. A fun battle tank with mortars. Original. 22 hours. Holy crap. Wait, that's section 7. This is an escape game. Alright, yeah, alright. I can do that. What happened about building an automated robot? It's still there. Dude, I have like 9 million things I want to do all the time. But I always talk about game dev, so might as well just do game dev. Visual assist. Mark. Is that an extension I gotta get? Do you have an idea of what the game will entail? Well, I gotta learn Unreal Engine first. I got game ideas for days. It's easy to have ideas, hard to execute. Blender game engine. Oh man, I forgot Blender had a game engine. I like turtles. What up? Thanks for the knowledge you shared. Put a fat unnecessary neural network. No. I'm not even sure if I'll do live coding. Because like live coding, people just get super triggered. They're like, Josh, I thought you were a dev. I'm like, bro, I don't know C++, but you're a dev. Okay, well, I don't know C++. Why PC dev then? Because I play PC games. Anyone else think he sounds super drunk? What? Oh, yeah, they split the Blender game engine off. Overtime crunch is super present in the gaming film industry. Yep, that's facts. I suggest you make an extremely simple game. Yeah, that's the plan. I'm not installing all of this, jumping right into like the main game right away. I don't even know what I'm doing. So that's why I'm doing the Udemy course, so I can figure out what all this does, because I forgot. Just thought it'd be fun, but everyone's just getting triggered. Oh, there we go. Reboot required. One more step to go. Please restart your computer. Well, I'm not doing that. Visual Studio. Connect all of your developer services. Udemy or Udemy? Udemy. I gotta sign in. Dude, people are so easily triggered in the code community. They're like, why are you doing Windows game dev? Why are you doing PC game dev? Why are you doing this game dev and that game dev? And it's like, holy crap. This is why nobody codes live. Everyone's like, you could do that in like, what is this verification? You could do that in like one letter. Freaking noob. Alright, enter your password and the characters in the picture correctly. Oh no. I don't know my password. I code live. I don't code live because every time I code live, people just backseat code and it's literally the worst. You look at chat to talk to people and everyone's like, Josh, that's wrong. Josh, that's not correct. Why are you doing it this way? You could just do it this way. And it's like, why are you watching the stream then? What is my password? I don't know my password. Sign into your Microsoft account. Is there a reason why you shouldn't do development? I mean, I like dev because you can do lots of different stuff with it. Time to put on that dark theme. I don't know. Which Visual Studio should I get? Like, is there any extensions that I need to get? I'm gonna ask the chat, okay? This is the part where I come humbly to you, chat. Please don't wreck me, all right? I'm a C++ noob. I'm an Unreal Engine Noob. I'm going to use Unreal Engine because I like its layout and its UI and UX. Please tell me what extensions I will need to make my life easier. Skip on plugins. Where are you from? I'm from Utah. Gotta get that dark theme enabled. Available. What is this? Enterprise? Why would I want that? No, I'm good. Live server. I have that already. Pen 15, what is that? Can I be a programmer if I only know HTML? I mean, HTML is gonna get you started. Visual Assist and Dark Theme. I got Dark Theme. Okay. What is Visual Assist? I think he goes over a few in the videos. The man who showed up late to the YouTube dev game and took over. I'm not a legend. Unity for starters. I've already made a game in Unity. I'm over it. Weird song. Least used blueprints. Okay, I've messed around with Unreal before. I followed a little tutorial and I built like Genji in the blueprints, but I forget everything, right? If you want to see real C++, yeah, I don't care about all that stuff. I just want to make stuff, man. All right, Visual Assist. Visual Studio. Oh, this is okay. Yeah, so this is actually what he suggests. Download the free trial. All right. Download the free trial, I guess. How much this cost? 120 bucks. All right, fill out the information. All right. Josh, make fork knife. Dude, got it. Unreal Engine doesn't have much tutorials. What are you talking about? The extension is not installable on any current installed versions of Visual Studio. Excuse me? If you don't want to see real C++, you'll probably never use it properly because it's basically a lifelong commitment with very dedicated use. Okay, dude, I just want to build stuff, man. I'll go look at C++ stuff, but I got to make videos and live life. Like, I can't just stop everything I'm doing in life to make games all day. That's the problem. I think this song just keeps playing over and over. Let me get a similar song. Let's get some chill tracks. This looks pretty good. How's your old man doing? I think he's pretty good. Make a Steam alpha and get like a 10,000. So this is the thing, right? Like I get to learn Blender, I get to learn Unreal Engine. What else? I don't know. I'm just excited to learn all of the things. That's it, right? Like I'm not saying that I already know how to do it. Playbook. I think Playbook is Unity, right? Blueprints. I'll probably use Blueprints, but I think Blueprints are pretty limited when it comes to networking, but that's okay. I have an idea for a little puzzler game that I want to make with like telepathy powers where you like have to work your way through the maps with like telepathy powers and stuff, and then as you go through the levels, you'll get better telepathy skills, I guess. Maya works best with Unreal. They have house plugins. Maya's expensive. You can use Blueprints for multiplayer? No. Back when I tried to do it, didn't have it. Or apparently it was really bad. Yeah, Christian, that's how it goes. With basic, well, I don't care about anti-cheat, right? Like this is just gonna be a single player game. If you could do it co-op, great. Are you gonna buy game character designs. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, right? It's all this balance between time, commitment, and being productive and making money for real life, you know? I've seen done with blueprints. If you have one, try to sign up for Maya with educational email. I don't have an EDU anymore. That was years ago. Maybe I could use some girls. Hey, can I use your EDU? You skipped over my Godot suggestion? Yeah, I skipped over that. I've messed with it a little bit, but I don't want to do it. Ba-ding. New phone. Are we gonna learn Ruby on Rails here? Dude, of course. Absolutely. How much can you dedicate to your game dev every day? Probably not every day. That's the thing. There's a balance of like living life, making videos, working out, you know, like I have all this other stuff, getting better at filming, so many other things in life. Thank you for downloading Visual Assist. I just have to, you know, just out of curiosity, since you already have experience, why do you want to implement your game idea in something else? Well, just to try something else. Give me some money and you can use my EDU email. That's not how this works. 30 minutes daily can also be 1 hour every other day. See, I'm not that organized in real life. Like, I'm not that organized. Like, when you're in this creative field, ideas just come and go and you got to execute on them. How to get started with .NET C# for getting a job? I have no idea. I did Unity. I did Unity to do C# and then they hired me and then I learned the rest. All right, anything else I need? Because otherwise I think I'm pretty stuck. I just have to restart to get Visual Studio Community installed. So let me put that up. Visual Studio 2019. I would like to pin that to the start bar. Where'd it go? Let us see you as an old man on FaceApp. I probably... Yeah, that's probably... No one needs to see that. Visual Studio is horror. Yeah. Alright, we'll pin this to the taskbar. Done. Now I have... What's your PC specs? I got two 1080s, 64 gigs of RAM, and a 1950X. You need a keyboard? I got a keyboard. Oh, you're not talking to me. Do you say you make 13K just from YouTube ads monthly with your views? I mean, for the past month, because I hit the algorithm, but now I'm falling out of the algorithm. I'm just a basic boy again. He's very transparent with his earnings. So like I'm down, right? I don't make 13K. So I've fallen out. What am I at? 11.7K today. See? There you go. Duh, just make a viral video. And before this channel becomes 5-minute crafts. You know what mechanical switches I have? These are Browns. How much were you making before? About $1,200? I mean, so why would I go work a dev job? No thanks. I'm good. But we'll see. That's gonna go down again. I have no idea how well game dev would work. Make some ASV. Oh no. First YouTuber who showed his ad revenue. I usually show every stream somebody asks, how much do you make? This is how much I make. Oh yeah, all I gotta do is talk about my wife divorcing me, apparently. That's all you gotta do, right? Just get 700,000 views. My wife left me. Shit, I could have made that video. I don't understand how that got 600,000 views. It blows my mind. React View or Angular? The shade? No shade. No shade has been thrown, but you know, I'm just over that phase of my life. What chair is that? It's a Von Racer. And trashing his wife. Even worse. What? His wife took his kid and left him. I think that's not cool anyways. I'm saying I don't understand how that video gets 600,000 views. Game dev gone wrong. My wife left me. Sure. I could have made the same video. My wife divorced me too. I was married. Like the exact same thing happened to me, but I didn't make a video about it. You know? $900K views. Drama sells. That's correct, right? There's no shade there. It's just like, I'm over that phase of my life. I don't want to get married again. I don't do that stuff. Alright, well. But you didn't, so why the shade? Because I don't feel the need to tell everyone about it. There's no shade happening. You wants to make a video on it? Hey, great, make a video on it. I commented on the video, you know? Wolf says, you have a long way to learn about YouTube if you want to get views. Wolf, please show me your YouTube channel with hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Please show me the way. You keep saying make different content, but you never say of what. Do you know if she watches my videos? I have no idea. What do you find enjoyable about coding? Nothing in particular. What's your music library? Epidemic Sound. What's your CTR? Don't know. My EDU address from 10 years ago still works. Mine doesn't. Well, at my college they delete it after like a year. Are you into crypto? I was. Do you recommend the Udemy course you're taking? Yeah, it was pretty good. They're revamping it right now is what they told me. I don't know. Let me look at some other classes here, chat. Any good freebies we could start with? Just a thought, bro. You keep saying just a thought of making different content, but you never say what content to make. Please. Advice. Creating modular planets. That sounds cool. Master blueprints. Y'all want to see all my classes? I got so many classes. My courses. This is the one I was doing, the Ben Tristan one here. I got Unreal Engine 4, create multiplayer games. That one looks pretty dope. This is the one that I did. I did a few projects into this one for Unity, and then I was like, oh, okay, I can figure this out. I just started making stuff. Create drama. I don't wanna. I'm gonna do working in the Unreal Engine. Yes, you know, cause I've been stacking up, right? I've been farming the marketplace, those free for a month things. You know what I'm talking about? These things right here. I've been farming them. I got them all. Those Udemy courses are questionable. I have a good starter tutorial series for you. Look at your email. All right, looking at email currently. Here's my tutorials. Oh snap. Playtesting my Unreal Engine multiplayer game on Unreal. Mark, bro, this looks amazing. Why don't you please hold? This looks pretty dope, dude. Okay, why can't you help me do this? Look at Mark over here in the chat just lurking in the back. Hold on a second. Look at what he just linked me. He just linked me his multiplayer game, and his multiplayer game is like the best thing I've ever seen. Well, considering I know nothing. Look at this. Look. This was July 22nd. Look at this. Mark over here. Go subscribe. Mark, please. Help. Send help. Look. Weapon swapping? Nope. Got sniped. Sniper rifle 6-0. Getting shot. That looks pretty dope, dude. Simple health bars. Dude didn't want to leak it in the chat because he didn't want to be a jerk. Mark, I appreciate that, but holy crap. So what are you building with this with here? You wanna send some advice? Didn't expect that. Keep going, dude. I'd play that. You even got kill cams, or sort of. Bots are enabled. All blueprints. Yeah, how long does this take to make? And where are these character models from? I'm gonna need to know your network solution here. Take my money. Exactly, right? Like, how many people can play this? Is this the Division? I don't know. This is the dudes in chat. This game. Right? So if you're telling me you can do this all with blueprints, I'm down to do it. I'll learn C++, I'm sure, on the way, but... Your Twitch isn't actually live. Yeah, I know. I'm not allowed to duo stream. I got affiliate. What's the name? Here, you can go sub to Mark. Go blow him up. Got ragdoll. Did the gun sounds? Where'd you learn all this, Mark? My series will start you out. Okay. Thumb that up, boys. Oh, you got projectile bouncing? That's dope. Tons of YouTube tutorials. What are some local tech services businesses need to start? My handyman business gets slow. I mean, you gotta look for them. Are you shooting grenades? With like delayed? Is this funded? No, it's just for hobbies, I guess. You even got like getting shot at logic in there. 16 minutes. Let's wait, I saw a little menu. Yeah, this is Unreal Engine. I want to make some destructible environments. What? Even got Melee in there. Wow. Where do you publish video games on the PC market? You can do it on Steam for $100, or you can do it on the Epic Engine now. I like how you can like see the silhouette. All right, Mark, we're diving in. This stream just became Mark Luttrell's stream. Tutorial number 29. Oh no. All right, Mark. You gotta make thumbnails for real. Free game download, Unreal Engine 4 multiplayer demo. Multiplayer games are a waste of time for individuals to make because of hackers. I mean, I guess. Get BattleEye. Character. Oh, you got a first person? First person. Why can't I talk? I guess I just can't talk. This looks pretty cool. Running animation. That's old. 10 months ago. Running around. Where's the people at? Sound effects. Oh wow, you even got little teleporters you can do. That's cool. Everyone always tries to make a multiplayer game, then they realize the scope is huge. I'm not trying to like make Fortnite, dude. I'm just one guy, but this looks pretty dope. Unreal Engine cinematics. See, that's what I like, right? Unreal Engine cinematics. Web development supply is so saturated as I do that, but I'll figure out some businesses. Is machine learning overrated? I don't think so. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know it. It's cool. It's all about that learning process. Popo Mark Studios. So you got cover system, ammo system, projectiles.
This isn't how things are supposed to be now.
Am I gonna get demonetized? The Unreal Engine multiplayer tutorial series. All right, bookmarked. I've been trying to do this with Unity 2D. What are you setting up right now? I was setting up Unreal Engine. Someone is blowing up my phone. Is that an automatic pistol? This is pretty dope, dude. You got explosive rounds? What are these, like HE? High explosive bullets you got going on? From beginning to end, a complete guide. You making a game soon? Well, I installed everything, but I have to restart my computer to get Visual Studio Code to work. And if I do that and come back to YouTube, I'll get 2 streams. And YouTube doesn't like if you stream twice in a row. They're not a huge fan. Wow. Got the projectile. You got to lead the target. Looks good. Are there mobile games with AI? Yeah, PUBG. What's your opinion on Data Camp? What? I don't know. I don't have one. How about walking simulation games? I have no idea. Where's the crosshair? I don't know. This looks pretty cool to me. So let's see. This is a promo for my Unreal Engine multiplayer tutorial series. It comes with a free game that will be created. Oh, I can download it from Mega Drive. I don't know if this is a shady link, even if it's not. Go to Udemy and take Tom Lumen's course. I have it, I think. Let me look. This is it, right? Unreal Engine 4 Mastery. The stream just became about Mark. Mark, take over. I'm leaving. Unreal Engine 4 multiplayer with NPCs. Game progress update. Third person. Got the NPCs going. Ragdoll. How far will this take me, Mark? If I do this like right now, how far will this take me? The amount of courses I've downloaded? Yeah, I know that feel. I like the Spartan kick, dude. Like you just walk up and just Spartan kick him in the chest. That needs to be a level, Mark. This is all blueprints, dude. That's crazy. What networking solution are you using? Are you using like Blueprints Extended or something? Replication. Oh, I think I started looking at replication and I tried to follow some like really old, what is it? It's on the Epic Store. It's like some Wild West shootout thing. What are there any like starter packs that I could like reverse engineer? Stock. Okay. Well, how far does the tutorial series get me currently? So I guess we're gonna do Mark's tutorial series. And this, I guess. But I gotta learn Unreal Engine first. This whole dynamic combat system magic thing looks pretty cool. Is this the new Call of Duty? Definitely, dude. This was free this month. That'd be super cool. You play any zombie VR games? Are we talking about like Arizona Sunshine? That'd be pretty cool. I haven't played it yet though. Settings. Restart and update. All right. So there's this one right here, right? Ben Tristram's and this Tom Lumen one over here. These are the only Unreal multiplayer ones. Welcome back. You've completed 3%. Everyone on Udemy ever. weapons, pickups, line trace, projectiles, basic animation. It gives you the shell. Okay, cool. See ya. Good luck making Roblox. Good luck with your Rails. How do you effectively promote your YouTube channel personality on social media from 0 subs? You can get really far on Instagram with the right hashtags. 3% squad. That's all of us. I think we all have 900 Udemy courses. 3%. Are you looking to focus on a specific genre? It's gonna be third person. But replication is what I need to learn.
Auto shutdown initiated.
Oh, come on. Hold on.
Auto shutdown cancelled.
Are you gonna make Minecraft too? No. I don't think so. Marketplace. This is where I started to learn replication, but it took so long. It was like my library, some like Wild West Showdown that is so out of date. But the stream is distracting. Oof. What should I use to create an email list? MailChimp. No, not that. Owned. How do I see what I have? Free for the month. I already got all that. Already got all that stuff. VFX attack trails. That looks cool. I think that's how you really make it, right? You don't make the games. You just make the assets for the games, and then you sell them on the store. Focusing heavy on environments. I don't know. I feel better about my 15%. 15% on Udemy is basically 100%. So you should just go ahead and take a break. You deserve it. Just go ahead. 5 minutes of Udemy, 9 hours of Overwatch. Easy, dude. What do you mean when you say replication, if I heard you right? Replication between the server and the client. That's... in Blueprints, there's like all these little side menu sub options for like replication, which means like you're replicating this projectile on your side and their side. So like if you pull the trigger of a gun and it shoots a projectile, you have to replicate it for the other person that's playing with you. You know, they have to, or you know what I mean? You have to make everything twice, and the more replications you have, like the laggier it can get, all that stuff. I was here when Josh had a man bun. Thanks, dude. OG. Where is it? How do I see what I have? Learn. They have a learning section. Volumetric fog. That's pretty cool. Get started. I gotta restart to get started. But maybe we can continue this on Twitch if you'd like. I need to go do shoulders and film a video for today and then edit it and then release it. What's Gucci, Lewis? How's it going, man? Look, you got a little grind reel icon there. Library. Yeah, I'm dumb. Okay. Where was it? It was like this. Look, dude, I've been farming. I've been farming all the free stuff. I'm sure a lot of the stuff is broke, but, you know, whatever. Free for the month things. Oh, I've been farming. Anthony, what's up, man? Wild. No, it's like Western. Oh, they also have Unreal Studio Beta, which is like you can make movies in that, which looks super cool. Come on. Is it like Shootout? Here it is. Multiplayer Shootout. This thing right here is so outdated. This talked about replication with blueprints, and it was just like the worst. You're talking, let's see, Armodafinil gets my work done. That's like the rip-off version of Modafinil, right? You'd be surprised how much is not broke. Oh, really? Well, if you go to the marketplace and you look at the comments on some of the things here, and it's like, it's really bad. It's like, it was like all people commenting in like languages that aren't English, and like the dude who made this is obviously English, and it's like, they're like, when can I get this for free? And the guy's like, no. What are you looking at? This is the Epic Store Marketplace. You want shooter game, you say. What do you need to know to make games with Unity or Unreal? Unreal has blueprints built in for free. Unity has it, but you got to get Playmaker. Otherwise, C# is the way to do it. I did Unity. It's all right. It's all right. Just want to give something else a go. I heard Unreal's thinking about C#. Well, they're thinking about Python also. So let me get that Python first. Shooter game, you say? Advanced shooter game. Which one do I get? Unity is how I got my C# job. Like, I was just making games and I was like, oh, you guys are using .NET, that's C#, right? They're like, yep. And I was like, cool, I made games in Unity. They're like, okay, sounds good. And I was like, sweet. Oh, look, multiplayer block building templates. Literally a template to add Fortnite into your game. $20. See, like, look at the comments. Well, these are decent comments. There's some comments in here that are just really derpy. All right, I'm out. Gonna go try to promote the channel. Go promote the channel. Hit up Instagram, stories, videos, LinkedIn. Try walking simulator games. I don't know. It's free. You can reverse engineer. Which one? The official one. Did I miss it? My bad. I want third-person shooter game. FPS multiplayer template, $80. You know this dude's making bank. Vehicle settings, advanced shooter game. All right, where's the free? Free. I'm bad. All right, Mark. In the Learn tab. Oh. Pixel streaming. Water planes, that's cool. Particle effects are like my jam. Stylized rendering. Fortnite rendering. So it's not this one, right? It's shooter game. Unreal Match 3, action RPG. Here. Got it. Cool. See, your own first-person shooter, C++, while illustrating a variety of great features and techniques. Do you ever stream on Twitch? Yeah, I stream on Twitch usually, like once a day. Usually I'm just playing games over there, so if you want to hang out, we can play games, but this comment section hurts my brain. It's really hard. It's a lot harder to try and focus on being productive and chatting to chat. Because I'm so used to just engaging with everyone in chat instead of just ignoring chat and doing my own thing. Are there any video games you wish you were a part of making? I mean, maybe like Halo before 343. Maybe WoW. There's excellent Udemy course. I have that. I have the right here. This is what you're talking about, I believe. Red Dead Redemption. I never played those games. I don't have yeah, I didn't really play them. So is this one gonna get me going with multiplayer too? How did you learn multiplayer, Mark? Unsubbed. I don't get how 3D artists do what they do. I mean, they just see something in their head and then they make it. Popular example game. Okay, well, does it go to my shopping cart or something, or does this like start downloading? Oh, okay, well, Random YouTube tutorials. Okay, got it. The official documentation. Okay, just make the game. Wait, just like make. What are we talking about? To make a successful game, you need a whole team. That's not true. Stardew Valley was one-man band. Either you got it or you don't when it comes to art. No, that's what people say. That's classic gatekeeping. You can learn to be artistic. That's not true. Oh, PyroDev. Yeah, PyroDev is good. I saw his tutorials the other day. Let me find it. PyroDev had one that was relatively new. PyroDev, but he doesn't post often enough. But he's got some good stuff in here. Metro Station Modular Kit Review. Steam Multiplayer, yep. Advanced Steam Sessions. This guy, says stop make front-end development for people, you idiot. I don't know what that meant, but alright. I want to like open source it. I want to make the abilities open sourced. So like it'll be a spell-based game, right? But like we'll make the abilities section, the spell part of it like open source. Where people can modify stuff. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I could try. So like you guys want to add a spell or some effects, right? You can code it and then I'll merge it in. He talks about that, but I you know. So catch me up. Getting started with Unreal. Yeah, we're gonna get started with Unreal. I've installed everything, but I have to restart my computer, so the setup is basically done. I'm just chatting right now. Are you still a dev, or do you do YouTube? I mean, you can be a dev without working a dev job. That's... I mean, if you're asking if I work a dev job, no. Why would I want to do that? Why would I want to go to work at 9, leave at 5, and have 2 days off a week when I could do this and enjoy what I'm doing, you know? That'd be hard open source? Yeah. I didn't expect you to see you do any game dev. I'm happy you're doing this. Oh, well, I'm happy that you're here to watch me fail gloriously. Epic already has an ability system. Do they? I don't know. This is exciting. I'm exploring. Everyone knows everything that I don't. That's why it's fun for me. Everyone thinks that I'm dumb that I don't know about this stuff, but I have to go make a video and then edit and then release still today. And go lift weights. It'd be cool to do some AR. Virtual Studio. I don't know. I just want to like... I feel like if I stream it, everyone's just going to backseat code, you know? I'm glad you got your gamer headphones. Dude, I got the gamer headphones. You gotta have the gamer headphones. Particle effects. I'm in Makerspace, and there's like 1 or 2 game devs who have a big game on Steam. How much different is web dev from game dev? Similarities, differences. Game dev is like... See, this is what I'm talking about. These are the comments. Like, what does this mean? You have to do animations. You have to do the 3D modeling, the texturing, the effects. You have to set up everything. You have to market it. Web dev is you just make the application and HTML, CSS, style it up, make a database, connect the database, add some CRUD. I mean, I don't know. Web development's really vague. Use Unity. I did that already, so I'm going to do Unreal. Learn animating from Hyper. Okay. This is super cool. Yeah, let me make my game like this. Watch me just get distracted with like level design. You've seen the flows in Unreal, the visual coding, the code paths are visible. Oh yeah, like blueprints. I used to animate and model, but I wanted to learn code. That sounds cool, dude. Your channel is one of the few worth watching. Hey, thanks. Have you seen Sword Art Online? I haven't. Equinox is on Steam. Looks like a nice, relaxing game. I think he built his own engine from scratch because that dude is like a literal wizard. $12 for a resume review. Oh, it's actually like, usually it's like 35, but. After you build your game, you should run analytics on it. I'll try. Yatharth, is that your name? I mean, so the reason that your comments are getting hidden is because you're shilling your channel on my channel. I don't know if I should show them. You're just spamming the same thing. Anyone interested in learning cool programming tricks, follow my channel. You should provide value to the chat. Maybe I'd unhide the comments, but you know. Do you think there's inherent value in building stuff from scratch? It depends. I'm more of a practical get it done guy. I'm sure building it from scratch to learn the fundamentals is good, but I'm more of like get it done. Do you watch Unreal Dev's live stream? I don't know enough about it. I'm just excited getting started, but I have to restart my computer to get Visual Studio working, and then the live stream will be done, because if I stream again, YouTube's algorithm doesn't like that. So I got to restart my computer, and then maybe I'll go live on Twitch instead. But I still have to film a video and edit a video about illegal HR questions that they can't ask you to be on the lookout for. And I have to go lift weights. Oh, I have so much to do. Yeah, the guy that made Stardew is a multimillionaire. But for how many... Okay. For every Stardew Valley, how many indie games are out there that are released by one person that aren't multimillionaires, you know? Going to beat you to the gym, good luck. I don't know, dude. My gym's like 3 minutes away. Will VS start anyway without restarting? Well, so I have to install Visual Assist, and I can't do that until I restart, because it's not recognizing it. That's why I don't want to work in the game industry. You'll never enjoy the game you made. I don't know. Why the Samsung S10? Well, I was in the upgrade program, so Samsung S10. Two-person team Cuphead. That was cool. Illegal HR question. Sounds like if you refuse to answer, they won't consider hiring you anymore. Okay, so this is an example of an illegal HR question. They can say, where are you from? But they can't ask, are you a US citizen? They can't ask your age, but they can say, when did you go to college? You know, stuff like that. That's the kind of stuff. Just Blueprint all the way, no need for C++. Well, I mean, I should learn C++ a little bit, I guess. So, you know, I'll do it. I'll stream it on Twitch. Go follow me on Twitch. I'll be on there later tonight. Let me film my illegal HR question video. And then I'll come back. I gotta go do shoulders. Okay, shoulders is easy. It's a short day. I gotta do shoulders, make myself a keto pizza, and then make my video and then come back. Started took like 5 years. I know, just one guy. Do you think an esports organization would be good to make profit? Oh, it depends on what value you're providing with that. You could do a Blueprint only project without Visual Studio, but C++ is a challenge I think you'd like. Yeah, I think I'd like it too, because you can do other stuff like Arduinos with it and all that stuff, so I want to do that. Bro, just film cats and get millions of views. I mean, I guess I could. If I didn't go to college, what should I say? Just say I chose to focus on education, self-taught, and like, yeah, you know. How do you get your cardio done? Cardio? Is that Spanish? Implying I do cardio. Sometimes I run with my dogs. I don't know, Alf, you could be that guy. You could be that guy that says, you could be that guy that says, I don't let school get in the way of my education, and just watch them laugh at you. But then at the same time, you made a good point. I'm self-learning. You gave me around 30% of my direction. Hey, nice. You're welcome. Glad I helped. Come on down the C++ rabbit hole. You'll never be the same again. Probably. Probably not. Cardio is a strong astrological sign, like a Libra. Yeah, exactly. You know, some people prefer cardio. I don't know. I identify as a cardio. That's what I'm gonna put on my. That's what I'm gonna put on my Tinder profile. I'm a cardio. I'll be like, what sign is that? Game dev takes math. Yeah, you got the Euler angles and stuff. I remember doing that in Unity. Is the background music on a Spotify playlist? It's just Epidemic Sound. Here, I'll link it to you. Here's my playlist that I just have going in the background. I made a city builder simulation in C++ from scratch. Oof, that sounds like a lot of work. Really going for game dev now? Yeah, I mean, I've done it before. I'll do it again. Just gotta learn how to do it. Relearn how to do it. It's all good. I'll figure it out. I wonder if Josh has ever laughed. Dude, I laugh all the time. Try boxing. That will get you ripped. Plus, you can kick. Yeah. Well, I don't know if I would do boxing. I could just do like climb. Climbers at the gym. Those girls that climb at the gym have like they're that Dorito shape, you know, like the wide shoulders, no butt, straight legs. Climber girls are like, huh. Girls got bigger lats than I do. Hard pass, or actually, I guess technically it'd be a soft pass, because that's no, I'm good. But the dudes at the gym that are climbers are like the most ripped dudes I've ever seen. I've been studying Team Treehouse, grinding courses. I feel like, am I making the right choice? I mean, you got to make stuff, release stuff. You should check out the Cherno, great guy that makes very well explained C++ videos. Okay, will do. Dorito shape. I mean, that's what it is, right? You want wide upper body, skinny waist. That's the golden ratio, technically, right? But when a girl's got that Dorito shape, I'm like, no, you about to bench press me. No thanks. Is Lambda for foreigners? For people in the EU, you can do it. You're a game dev now. They're isosceles. Try jujitsu. You bet you'll fall in love. I don't know. I did martial arts. It's okay. Death by snoo snoo. That's no, that's death by lat raises, I guess. Got wider backs than me, you know. Best life advice you've heard? There's no, I mean that's a lot. There's a lot of life advice for different areas. There's not just one thing. Okay, it's 6:30. I need to go do shoulders and make my video, and then I will go stream the rest of this on Twitch. But I gotta restart my computer chat. Thank you for hanging around while VR boxing. Yeah, that's what I do. About to buy a GTX 1060. Should I? Maybe. What are you paying for it? What is Death by Snoo Snoo? It's a Futurama joke where Amazon women, these huge tall Amazon women. Death by Snoo Snoo. Have a good life. You too. What's your Twitch? Here, I'll type it out. Like that. Also, we got emotes. So there's that one. You guys are all beautiful. You're breathtaking, chat. What else? I'm gonna go secure some of these. What else do I got? I'd like to pay respects to everybody. What else do I got? Sit down. You can't do it. You can't do Keanu unless you're a member. Get those special emotes. What else do I got in here? Oh, I got this one. And then, thanks. Wait. Thanks for watching. And then, there you go. I got those emotes. I got myself looking confused as an emote. I got all kinds of emotes you can get if you're a member. It's pretty great. But, you know, thank you for watching, chat. Toss some of those out to you. Some respects, some Keanu's. There you go. I'm gonna go work out and make a video. Gotta crop the emotes. Would employers prefer to see a single, very complex and unique app? Not really. They might think that if you have revenue that you're not going to focus and that's going to be your hustle. Don't skip leg day. That's tomorrow. Leg day is tomorrow. Should be okay. Alright, I'm gonna go chat. You guys have a good night. I'll see you later in the video. And yeah, go on Twitch. I'm over there. It's twitch.tv/JoshuaFluke. I'll be over there doing some more of this. Mark, thank you for the email. I'm gonna be doing your tutorial. There you go. That's me. Go follow me. I'll be there. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the YouTube live stream. Later in the Twitch live stream tonight. And then a video premiere also. Have a good one.